Welcome back to the channel. Today, you'll discover how pineapple leaves are transformed into luxury shoes and handbags through an incredible manufacturing process.
Luxury fashion begins far from the showroom. It starts with pineapple leaves that were once treated as agricultural waste. Every leaf is carefully selected for its fiber quality. This natural material forms the foundation of an innovative leather alternative. Only healthy, mature leaves continue to the next stage. Their condition directly affects the strength of the finished material. At the factory, thousands of leaves arrive every day. This is where agricultural waste begins its transformation into premium fashion material. Not every leaf meets production standards. Careful inspection ensures consistent quality from the very beginning. The raw material is organized before processing begins. Efficient handling keeps every production stage moving smoothly.
The fiber density at this cross-section is exceptional.
Noted. We should prioritize this section for the mechanical analysis.
The journey now moves deeper into the factory. But before durable material can be created, the fibers must first be separated from the leaf. The most important transformation is about to begin. Precision machinery will soon unlock the valuable fibers hidden inside every leaf.
Pressure's holding steady at 50 psi.
Good, keep the feed rate consistent.
Freshly extracted fibers still contain natural moisture and residue. Careful cleaning begins immediately to protect their quality. Powerful washing systems remove impurities without damaging the delicate fibers. Clean material is essential for consistent manufacturing.
The flow rate stabilized after the third tank. Yes, the output is within optimal parameters now.
Controlled drying strengthens the fibers without making them brittle. Temperature and airflow remain carefully balanced throughout the process. Advanced sorting technology separates fibers according to strict quality standards. Only the finest material continues toward premium leather production. Automation is supported by skilled human inspection. Careful attention ensures every batch meets factory specifications. Compressed fiber bundles are easier to handle and protect during internal transport. Every bale is prepared for the next manufacturing stage.
Okay, the convoy is entering the bay. Roger that.
Cranes, hold position for the forklifts.
Preparation is complete, and the fibers are ready for their biggest transformation. The next chapter reveals how natural fibers become durable leather-like material. The blended material is formed into continuous sheets. Uniform thickness is essential for premium quality leather alternatives. Carefully controlled curing permanently stabilizes the material. Heat allows the natural binders to form lasting connections between the fibers. Surface refinement improves both appearance and texture. The material now begins to resemble premium leather. Natural coloring gives the material its final visual character. Even application ensures every section matches perfectly.
Embossing recreates the natural texture expected from luxury materials. Precision tooling produces a consistent finish across every sheet.
The completed material is prepared for product manufacturing. Every roll is carefully protected before moving to the next department. The innovative material is finally ready to become luxury fashion products. The next chapter reveals the precision. The finished material is now shaped into individual components. Precision cutting ensures every piece matches the design exactly. Hardware and structural components are added with exact positioning. Each product gradually takes on its recognizable form. Permanent assembly requires controlled pressure and accurate positioning. Every connection must withstand years of daily use. Every packaged item is carefully documented before approval. Traceability remains an important part of premium manufacturing. Production is complete, but every item must pass detailed inspection. Even minor imperfections are identified before approval. Surface quality is checked from every angle. Consistency is essential for premium fashion products. Repeated movement simulates years of everyday use. These tests verify the durability of the material and construction.
Approaching the yield point now, recording at 50 newtons. Seam strength is holding steady at 45. There's the break, 55.2.
Environmental testing ensures the products remain stable in changing conditions. Performance must remain consistent throughout daily use. Protective packaging preserves quality during shipping and storage. Sustainable materials remain part of the process from beginning to end. Shipping cartons are designed to protect every product during transportation. Careful packing reduces the risk of damage before delivery. Every shipment is recorded and prepared for distribution. Accurate logistics ensure complete product traceability. Every inspection has been completed successfully. In the final chapter, these sustainable luxury products begin their journey from the factory to customers around the world.
Every approved product is now ready to leave the factory. Months of careful work are about to reach customers around the world.
Careful loading protects every product during transportation. Stability is essential before the journey begins. The finished products begin their journey beyond the factory. Sustainable manufacturing continues through responsible logistics. A reliable distribution network connects the factory with global markets. Every shipment follows carefully planned logistics. Distribution centers organize products for efficient delivery. Automation improves both speed and accuracy. The transformation is now complete. Agricultural waste has become a refined luxury material through careful engineering and craftsmanship. Every detail reflects precise manufacturing and careful inspection. Quality is built into every stage of the process. Innovation and sustainability work together throughout the entire process. Every stage is designed to make better use of natural resources.
From discarded pineapple leaves to luxury shoes and handbags, every stage demonstrates how advanced manufacturing